Hi reading friend, welcome to another episode of Fatih Read Alone. I'm Zahir from Fatih Bilingual School. Do you want to listen a good story? Now let's listen to a story that will be read by Fayad Al-Ashi. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comment below. Enjoy!
Hello reading friends, today I will read a story about Wanda's Worst Day, written by Ras Buyak and illustrated by Danny Jones. Today was Wanda's worst day ever. She cried when Dad did her hair. She stomped around when her shirt was too small. She kicked the wall when her pencil broke. She held her breath when Dad was busy. She yelled when her milk spilled. She sobbed when it was time for bed. She screamed when her toothpaste tasted funny. It was the worst day ever, Wanda said. It's okay to feel bad, Dad said. Next time, let's talk about it, she ended. Okay, Wanda said. She smiled and ended. Let's make tomorrow a great day. Thank you for watching. See you on the next Fatih Read Aloud video. Bye.